Hi, you're watching Yoga on the Go with me, AJ, and today we're going to take a look at how we can start the day on a positive note and with a short yoga practice that keeps you energized and positive throughout the day. If you look around in nature, you look at birds, you look at cats, dogs, the little animals around you, the first thing they do when they wake up from a nap is stretch. Quite often we forget to do that. We just jump out of bed or take a moment, come out of bed, finish our morning ritual and move on with our day. And even if you don't have the time to do a full practice or go to the gym, you can take 5 minutes to start your day on a positive note. Keep watching through the video for tips on how you can come back to this positive sense of being throughout the day. You're watching Yoga on the Go. Sometimes we wake up in the morning and we are not feeling very energetic. It's a lazy day. Or you just want to spend a few more minutes in the bed. But it's a great way to start your day by stretching a little bit and allowing your body to wake up, especially your back. All the muscles in your body tend to feel a little stiffer when you wake up. Relax the arms by your sides and just drop your knees to your right. So you will have your knee resting on the other foot, whichever side you've taken your legs. And then come back to the center and just let them drop to the other side. And this starts to wake up the middle back. Let's try again. So don't try to control them. You control the legs coming up and then just allow them to flop. If you have any pain in your back, then make sure you're lowering the legs slowly so as you don't strain your back further. Otherwise, just allowing the knees to flop and you're waking up your back as you do that. Just flopping the last few times. And then come back to the center, hug the knees in and see if you're okay to lift the head and drawing the head towards the knees. And this will wake up your neck as well. Stay there for a few seconds. If your neck tires, relax the neck and just draw the knees in towards you. And if you're able to, draw the nose towards your knees or the knees towards your nose. Stay there for a few seconds. Take nice deep breaths. Even though your belly is pressing against your thighs, you can breathe there. And then relax. Rounding your back, making a C shape with your back. And take a nice exhale. And then take a nice deep inhale. And look up towards the ceiling. That feels good. Waking up the neck and the back some more with seated cat cows. Inhale and stretch up, look up. Exhale and round the back. If it feels good, you can do this with the hands. Stretch up with the arms. Exhale and round. Do this about 10 times. However it feels good, with or without the arms. I like to see how my body is feeling on a particular day. So there is no set exercise or stretch that you can do when you're lounging in your bed and waking yourself up. And then to wake up the hamstrings in the back, just a little bit more, getting ready for your day. If your bed isn't as high enough, you can stack some pillows on it. Otherwise, just stretch the arms forward and this will wake up your back, the backs of your legs. If it strains your back or the backs of your legs, keep a small bend in your knees and gently stretch forward. See if you're okay to rest your forehead. If not, you can stay higher. Just keep the neck relaxed and stay there for nice 5 deep breaths. If it feels good, you can stay longer. And then relax the elbows, slowly slide up and come back to your bed. This would be a nice time to observe your breathing. Your breathing is different at different times of the day, and when you wake up in the morning, your thoughts are not so clouded unless you've woken up with a start or you've woken up with an alarm knowing that you have to run off somewhere. So take a moment to watch your breathing because your breathing would be more relaxed if your mind is more relaxed as well. So take a moment, just count your inhale, mentally count it. So 3 counts to inhale. I count mentally 1, 2, 3. And then I count mentally 1, 2, 3 as I exhale. And once you've done that 5 or 6 times, imagine yourself in your happy, your safe place and allow yourself that time to calm down. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you have, share your love with us. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and keep watching our videos to relax your mind and body and connect with your soul.